Okay, I can go ahead and place a little bit of water in here to secure her to the card. And then spaghetti right there in the center. And that's what her head will go over. So then what do we need? We need black. This is what it looks like from that angle. Kind of like she's peeking around the side of the card. Take some water, place it right in here to secure that and under her head. So that's what the back looks like there. Okay, she's kind of peeking around like so. Do the eyes the same way. Okay, and then what did we do last time? We hollowed it out. Back of a paintbrush. If you have a ball tool, you can use a ball tool for this also. Put the royal icing inside. Kind of use it to pop it in there. Okay, now for her, I think we'll do is we'll add a little bit of pink to her. We will do a lighter pink nose. So just light pink, roll it into a ball. Right there below the eyes. And then we'll do darker pink for her lips. And then use whatever we have. We have the spatula around here. Okay, licorice. Kind of hold on to the bottom of the head so we don't push it down. And let's see, I need one more piece. Okay, now for her, what we could do is go ahead and give her some eyelashes. So I've got some pink royal icing here. We'll just do a couple, just squeeze, pull the tip up. And this is a tip number 2. Okay, so we've got that so far. Then what we want to do, so let's check on our bow tie. Okay, so it's right out of the freezer. You just pop it out. Isn't that cute? And then we'll place it right underneath here. And we'll have to use some royal icing to attach that. Okay, now for her, we'll do a bow also. Hers will be up between her antennas. This is a smaller mold. So you just pop the red in there. We could do pink if we wanted, but I think there's enough pink there with those eyelashes that we need a little bit of red up there. Hey, this one doesn't need to go in the freezer, it comes right out. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put something, well, I'll have to spread this out a little. Let me put another piece of black fondant behind there. It's because I don't want the bow to sit down too far. And we'll put the bow there.